Hello students, this is Saravanan from Perry Institute of Technology, CAC department. Today our subject is computer architecture. The topic is graphics processing unit from unit 4. The outline of the topics that we covers today: what is GPU, what are the difference between GPU and CPU, the connectivity between CPU and GPU, GPU architecture and NVIDIA memory structure. What is GPU? A GPU is a graphics processing unit. It is a computer chip that performs rapid mathematical calculations and the purpose of rendering images. A GPU it is a specialized electronic circuits designed to rapidly manipulate and alter memory to accelerate the creation of images in a form of frame buffer intended for output to a display service. GPUs are used in embedded systems, mobile phones, personal computers, workstations, and games consoles. It is developed by NVIDIA, ATI, AMD, Intel. Some of the applications of GPU: computer games, designing automobiles, movie animations, medical fields, and graphical user interface. Next, it is a processor that is optimized for 2D, 3D graphics, video visual computing, and display. It uses parallel architecture. It is also called visual processing unit. Next, what is the difference between CPU and the GPU? CPU and GPU is a powerful combination because CPU consists of few cores optimized for serial processing, while GPU consists of thousands of smaller, more effective cores designed for parallel performance. Serial portions of the code run on the CPU, while parallel portions run on the GPU. GPU are accelerated that supplement a CPU. GPU are highly multi-threaded. GPUs use thread switching to hide memory latency. They do not rely on multi-level caches. CPU supports for sequential coding while GPU for parallel coding. GPU rely on extensive parallelism to obtain high performance. Next, the connectivity between CPU and GPU. The figure shows how a CPU is typically connected with a modern processor. A GPU is an accelerator that is connected to the host processor. The host processor and GPU communicate to each other via PCI Express. PCI means Peripheral Component Interconnected Express to communicate to each other. It provides a 4 gigabytes and or 8 gigabits for interconnection bandwidth. PCI, Peripheral Component Interconnection Express. It is an interface standard for connecting high-speed components. Every desktop of PC motherboard has a number of PCIs slots, so we can add GPU graphic cards. This graphic cards connected to the computer through the motherboard. The motherboard supplies power to the card and lets a communication between the CPU. The PCI Express is a newest form of connection and provides the fastest transfer takes between the graphics card and the motherboard. Next, GPU architecture. The major components of general purpose graphics processor. It is a high level GPU architecture consists of several streaming multiprocessor. It is called SM, which are connected to the GPU's dynamic random access memory. Each SM has a number of single instruction multiple data units, also called stream processor, and supports a multi-threading execution mechanism. In GPU architecture, it employs two important execution paradigm. One is multi-threading, another one is SIMD/SIMT. In SIMD, GPU processors apply high floating point execution bandwidth, which is designed for graphical applications. To make effective use of the high numbers of units, GPU architecture employ a SIMD or SIMT execution paradigm. In SIMD, one instruction operates on multiple data. It decode, fetch and schedule on multiple data operands. Depending on the word width, anywhere from 32, 64 or 128 pixel operations may be performed by a single instruction on current system. This technique significantly increases system throughput and also improves the energy efficiency. Next, multi-threading. The multi-threading is another important execution paradigm that GPU architecture employs hardware multi-threading. GPU processors use fast hardware-based context switching to tolerate long memory and operational latency. The effectiveness of multi-threading depends on whether an application can provide a number of concurrent threads. Most graphical applications have a characteristics since they typically need to process many objects, example pixels, polygons, vertices and etc. The degree of multi-threading used to much lower in CPU than the GPU. Next, NVIDIA's GPU architecture. The terms and ideas in NVIDIA GPU architecture called TELSA and the CUDA programming environment. Motherboards in GPU are integrated into motherboard chipset such as North Bridge or a South Bridge. In TELSA based GPUs, chips are often with between 1 and 16 nodes with NVIDIA calls multiprocessors. First we'll see TELSA based GPU. It has 16 multiprocessor and a clock rate of 1.35 GHz. Each multiprocessor contains 8 multi-threaded signal precision floating point units and integer processing units, which NVIDIA calls streaming processor. Each of the 16 processor has a software managed local store with a capacity of 16 KB pulse and 32-bit resistor. In memory system consists of 6 partitions of 900 MHz graphics dynamic memory with each of 8 bits wide and with 128 MB of capacity. The total memory size is 768 megabytes. To hide memory latency, each streaming processor has hardware supported threads. Each groups of 32 threads is called a wrap. A wrap is a unit of scheduling. Next, CUDA programming. The CUDA program is a unified C++ programs for heterogeneous CPU and GPU system. It executes on the CPU and dispatch parallel works to the GPU. This works consists of data transfer from main memory and a thread dispatch. The thread is a piece of program for the GPU. The CUDA compiler allocates register to each thread under the constraints that the register per thread times threads per thread block does not exceed the 8192 register per multiprocessor. Programmers specify the number of threads in the thread block and the number of thread blocks they wish to start executing on the GPU. Next, GPU memory structure. It shows the memory structure of the NVIDIA GPU. Each SIMD lane has private section of off-chip DRAM with a private memory, contains stack frame, sibling registers and private variables. Each multi-threaded SIMD processor also has local memory shared by SIMD lanes, threads within a block, memory shared by SIMD processor of the GPU, words with a read and write CPU memory. Hope you understand about the topic. Thank you, students.